Are you in Procreate trying to fill your color, but you keep getting this little line right here where you can't figure out why it won't fill all the way through? You got a couple of pixels that just will not fill. Well, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. So what I did in this video is I dragged this and filled my circle with color, and it's leaving a little bit of a line. The problem is your threshold is too low. So when you drag a color in, you have a threshold at the top. See that little number changing? And if your threshold is too low, it will not fill. But let's do that again. Close up. See how it fills in that color? Just be careful, because if you go too far with your threshold, you can fill your whole canvas. So I hope that helps. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.